The soft mask is another way to create a mask within Vizrt T in conjunction with the image mask and the frame mask and the other two masks found within the globals folder, being the window mask and the mask source and target. So the soft mask works a little bit different, and to demonstrate this, we're going to go into our server. We're just going to grab some type of image to use, and here we have a picture of a city. We'll just drag it into the scene tree. We'll scale this up with our transformation axis editor here. We'll go back into our built-ins within our shader tab and our effect folder. We have this soft mask. We're going to drag this onto our image container up in the scene tree. We're going to click on our soft mask here, and the first thing that we have within the properties editor is this progress percentage. We can slide this left or right. As we do that, you can see that it's masking out the left side. There's also a rotation here. We're going to rotate this around so we can do it 90 degrees and it will be at top. If you want to do it 180, then it's coming from the right. So if you haven't figured this out, the soft mask here only creates a mask on one side. So if you do need it to start from the top, the right side, and or the bottom, you need to use this rotation here. Or you could come down and use the invert button at the bottom, and that will start it from the other side. So with the invert button on, we can use this progress percentage, and now it comes on from the right side. The other way to do that, as I mentioned, you use the rotation, flip it all the way around to 180 and use the progress percentage that way, and that's the same result as the invert. So we'll just reset the rotation. Our invert is off. We also have a keep aspect ratio on and or off that we can choose. There's a center X point and a center Y point of this. So if we do have this rotated to 90 or above, we can use this center Y then as it is rotated either on the top or the bottom. We also have a gradient width here. So let's reset our rotation here. Our gradient width is just the hardness or the width of this mask. So if you want a hard edge, you just take it all the way down to 0. If you want a soft edge, just increase the gradient width. As we mentioned, the invert, we'll flip it around. There's also a mirror gradient too. So now we have it on both sides. And if you adjust your progress this way, it's only giving us a sliver on both sides. And you can use this blank here to readjust that as well. So that's the soft mask. It's a way to create a mask with one side, which can be either soft or a hard edge.